There is a 10-year-old boy who was struck by a car.
He broke all the bones in his face, all his ribs, an arm, and a knee.
And with years of recovery and nearly 24 surgeries, he's starting to feel normal again.
Well, I had unfortunately an accident about 12 years ago where I broke every bone in my face. I had a punctured lung. And so because of that, I had a really long recovery and a really remarkable recovery. I remember my doctor saying that he never seen anyone in my condition and recover so fast. I've had 24 surgeries since 2011, which was my accident. And so it's been a process, it's been a long process, still to this day, but I've been grateful. It's been hard, missing school, missing time with family, friends, but it's been a long road, yeah. It really helped me because I lost a lot of blood in my accident, so receiving over 500 units of blood was really important and really a big reason why I'm still here. I've been an ambassador for them ever since about 2014, and it's been great. I love talking to donors, I love talking to people who receive blood and who are giving blood as well. I worked at initially Columbia College in Calgary, obviously, and so from there we were looking at places to work at, and then Goodwill popped up, had a great convo. I first started just volunteering just to see how it was, and then after that I came full-time or part-time for Goodwill, yeah. I mean, one thing I will say, the work environment here is really, really good. I definitely want to be a voice for people that can't talk to themselves or don't know how to talk to themselves. I definitely want to do that. Trust your family, trust your friends, and trust your inner circle. Because if you do that, then everything will come naturally to you.